Well, one important thing that we always need to do is check our tire pressure. I got really lucky because the valve is right here, and even for back tire it's right at the bottom. That never happens at home, but that's nice. Here is the charger I'm going to use. Let's see how it does. All right, it's set at 36. Perfect, stopped at 36. To the back. It's at 28. Trying to get it up to 40. I usually put 36 on the front, 40 in the rear. We're now at 33. 37. 39. 40. Done. Very handy. I recommend you guys get one of these. Ooh, it's warm. Got a workout today. It took 1 bar of power. There we go. It's important to check your tire pressure, folks. Get better wear, and it's just safer. Time to load the motorcycle up. At this point, it's just easier to put on my helmet so I don't have to hold it. Still got a few more things to carry. There's the messed up bed that I did not sleep on. I actually slept on the couch. It was much more comfortable. And I forgot to pack my shoes. Gotta carry this, and that should do it. Oh, I need water. I just have ice. This Saddleman bag is great. I mean, it was tough yesterday because I didn't adjust the shoulder strap, so it was hanging really low. And now it's just right. Okay, down to the third. From the third. This should mean I'm done. That feeling like you feel like you forgot something. At least if I fall, I have my helmet on. Oh, you guys do a good job. I don't know how you guys do it with no elevator. At least I'll cool down when I start riding. Whew. Thank goodness for these Saddleman shoulder straps. What a workout from the 3rd floor. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna try to get this bag there. It's not going anywhere with that. It's on there pretty tight. Got these nice straps. I just put 2. go get some water, and then we're taking off. The struggles of the road. 11:15 a.m. I must have been playing with this Garmin GPS for 30 to 35 minutes just to find a town in Wyoming. Oh my goodness. Then come to find out, it was trying to search within Utah. I have no idea where. I say don't do that. Somehow I was able to figure it out. But some other good news is I was looking for something in my bag this morning after I took a shower. I found all my batteries, all my memory cards. So now I'm able to record as long as I want. This lady that worked at the hotel, as I was having breakfast, she was asked if she can open the curtain behind me, and I said it was okay. And I just told her how beautiful it is out here with all these mountains. And she's like, you know, it is. She was saying that she just goes to work and she forgets to look around every once in a while. And I think that's for everyone. We just get so busy with life, we forget to look up and look around. So all of you here in Utah, you have a nice city. I did my basic training. Yeah, that's artillery.
Yeah, I was field artillery.
Field artillery, yeah.
Foot soldier. But I studied, I did repair, I was 31 Bravo 20. Repair radios, transmitters, and receivers.
Oh, nice.
What's your name? I might have seen you.
Cage-free moto.
Cage-free?
And then moto.
Moto, okay, I remember that, man. You got the Harley.
Yeah.
It's a nice bike, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
You know what? I want me a Harley Davidson so bad.
Yeah, you should do it, man.
But I'm scared of these wheels, so they heavy. Yeah, but I got, my back is in, and I got this for the military for my feet. Because we used to run to them rifle ranges, them hard boots. Them combat boots messed up my feet. That's why I want me a Harley with 3 wheels.
Yeah.
I ain't got to be riding and do all that mess.
Yeah.
How many miles you done travel so far, man?
Well, I live out by San Francisco.
Really? You been riding, man.
Yeah.
All right, we got you, man. We got you. We gonna look up your YouTube channel.
Yeah, what's your name?
Otis.
Otis. Yeah, if you leave a comment, just say this is Otis. I'll remember you.
All right, I'm gonna let you get on down the road, bro. We got you on the thing. We'll look you up.
Yeah, leave me a message.
So, I see you, we talk.
Well, I'll say hi, and I'll put you in the video saying hello to everyone.
All right, bro.
All right. Take care. I will. Same to you. Stay safe. Now, this is a bouncy road. I wonder if they do that on purpose just to make sure people are going slow. Well, it's 6:17. I'm definitely not going to make it to this end route. And according to the GPS, there's no services around here. I'm just under my normal, beyond my half a tank. I'm sure I'll find a gas station, but with it getting later, it's getting colder, and I can really start to feel it, especially in my chest. So, time to keep my eyes open for a hotel. Hopefully we find one soon. Oh, that was a long ride. Boy, for being in the middle of nowhere, this place is packed. Good. You guys have a room?
No reservation yet?
No. Is that a yes?
Yes, sir. I do have a room available.
All right.
For a king or a double king.
Just a king, just me. Made it. I didn't go all the way like I thought I was gonna go to whatever the name of that town was, but I made it to Casper, Wyoming. I'm gonna figure out how to turn on all these lights. Major helmet hair. Temperature started to drop, and I was starting to feel the cold. My jacket is not good, a good windbreaker. Here I am, safe. They have food here, so that's great. Hot meal. All right. See you in a while.